Discover how simple and easy exercises drastically increase stamina and heal erection dysfunction from the privacy of your own home, 100% guaranteed. The exercises you're about to learn are so effective, they have helped thousands of men, even those who have tried everything in the past. You get hard and stay hard. More than 41.6% of men over 40 suffer from erectile dysfunction. Only 1/3 can be helped using medication, and in many cases, drugs actually make the problem worse in the long run. In a recent survey among my readers, over 93.2% of those who gave these exercises a few minutes per day report great improvements, much more than those using Viagra or other medications. Plus, there's absolutely no risk of side effects whatsoever. You can practice anywhere, anytime. Nobody, not even your sexual partner, need to have any idea you're actually using the erectile dysfunction exercise. Having to beg a doctor for medication every time you want to have sex and plan your love life around a pill? Not mentioning disappointing your partner when it doesn't work is both shameful and humiliating. The solution is simple. Use easy exercises that anybody can practice, no matter what kind of physical shape you're in, that increase the blood flow to the penis and prevent leak out of it during intercourse. Therefore, eliminate any erectile problems permanently. For more info and to test the exercises for yourself, read on.